Hey, Pipi. Kalimera. Good morning. Kalimera, Pipi. Good morning, my friends. Kalimera. Kalimera. Hey, Matsules. One more day starts in the shelter. The weather is nice now, but we are waiting for a lot of rain in a few hours from now. So the dogs, they are relaxing under the sun now. They love it. But we have to do a lot of work fast because the weather will be bad in about 4 hours from now. That's what they say. So we have to run. This is Marjo, the 15 years old lady with a little cancer down in her breast. Marjo, she was 15 years old. 15 years. She was 15 years in the chain, this poor little animal. She was 15 years in a chain, can you believe that? And now she has a very happy tail. Look at her happy short tail. Hey, Marjo. Now she has a happy tail, she has a home, and she sleeps in a soft bed, and she loves it. Marjo. Mickey. Marjo, she's so cute. And this is Cindy with one eye. We found her in the road. She was bleeding, the eye was hanging out. We operate her, and now she has our home. And this is Mickey, 15 years old. She's always next to me because he feels safe. He feels safe next to me. 15 years old also. Mickey, very sensitive, very, very sensitive. Okay, we just wanted to say good morning from me and from all my doggies. It's not only this, it's all over. All over, all around. There are free dogs. Free dogs all around. 430 dogs we must have right now. 430. Okay, so bye-bye for now. Have a lovely day. I will update you later with a lot of videos. Γεια σας, θα τα πούμε και πάλι μετά. Bye-bye. Jenny. Hi, Jenny. Mickey. Marjo. Zoe, time to go. Lucy. Lady. Little Bella.